Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to this channel. So guys, in our last video we talked about the different small business ideas that you can start with zero investment. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you didn't watch it, it will appear up here. Please make sure you go and watch it. So today we are talking about small business ideas for women. This is just a topic. Don't shy away from trying these particular small business ideas if you're a man. Comment down below if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, guys. I'm Judith. I do how to make money online videos, personal finance, personal development videos. Consider subscribing if that is the kind of content you're looking for. So now, as 2022 is coming to an end, I'm just trying to set the right mood for 2023 by giving you small business ideas that you can start. I want to make sure that 2023 will be your best year ever when it comes to your financial freedom. So I hope you try some of these business ideas and let me know how it goes. If it is something that you have tried already, don't forget to give me a comment in the comment section below. Let us know how it went, how it is going, and all that. So let's get into the video. So the first business idea that you can try as a woman or as anyone is to be a professional finder or a plugs person. You see those people who always know where to get things. Yeah, if you want clothes, they know where to get the clothes. If you want good shoes, particular shoes, if you want utensils, those people, yes, nowadays they pay for their services. I didn't know this actually until a friend of mine told me recently that she had to pay 5,000 to be given a particular plug in Gikomba. If you are in Nairobi, you know where Gikomba is, but you also know that Gikomba is not just a place to wake up one morning and go there and find something. You need to know the right place or the right person to talk to so that you can get certain things. So if you are a person who can find things easily, then you can become a professional plug. I am actually told that people pay as much as 20,000 Kenya shillings if you are seeking a plug in countries like China, Turkey, where different goods are sourced. So it is something that you can consider if you like to try it out. So number 2, you can become an interior designer. That is another thing that you can try, another small business idea. This one you can also do it as part-time or full-time. I have a friend of mine who does it full-time, and it actually shows when you go to her house. She's one of those people that will make you want to stay in your house the whole day. Yes, because she knows how to arrange, she knows how to make spaces look beautiful and functional. So now if you have a good eye for details, if you have a good eye for fine things, then you can consider becoming an interior designer. So that is number 2 business idea. Number 3, you can become a virtual assistant. The virtual assistant will be performing different tasks online. This is something that we'll be doing online. So many businesses are now online, and so these jobs are easily found. You can get them on Upwork, on People Per Hour. You can also get them on LinkedIn. You can advertise your services on any social media platform, whether it is Facebook or Twitter. So now as a virtual assistant, you'll be doing things like bookkeeping. You'll be doing things like scheduling emails. You'll also be doing things like data entry. So those are some of the things that you'll be doing online. You can choose the number of hours to work, and also your payment will depend on the different tasks that you'll be handling, and also how many hours you'll be working. So that is number 3. Number 4, you can become a social media manager. So that is another thing, another small business idea that you can try out right now or in 2023. Become a social media manager. Now again, both small and big businesses are now realizing the importance of online marketing, and so most businesses are now online. That means you are you can easily get a social media manager position. You can start with your favorite influencers. Of course, there are people who want to grow their social media accounts, but now they don't have the time, posting each and every time, replying to comments and things like that. Those are some of the things that you'll be doing as a social media manager. You can start small and then grow. Again, you will pick on the number of hours to work. This is not something that you have to work like full time. You can do this part time as you do something else. So that is the beauty of it. So some of the places where you can find social media manager jobs, of course, on LinkedIn. You can also find them on. You can advertise your services on social media, whether it is in Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. So that is number 4. Number 5, you can become a professional home organizer. So you can do a professional home organization as either a full-time or a part-time job. That is another small business idea. Again, if you are someone who is organized, someone who knows how to arrange a home and make it beautiful and functional, this is something that you can do. You can advertise your services. Of course, I always say that you can always start with close friends and relatives, and then you can grow your business from there with word of mouth. You can also advertise your services on social media. So that is something that you can also consider doing. Number 5, you can do a food. Number 6, and the last one, you can engage in food service. Now, I don't know where you are, but because now food, when it comes to handling food, different countries or different states have different regulations. So now you'll have to confirm with where you are. But now if you are in Kenya, I can say that as it is not so stringent on the conditions. So this is something you can actually start from just your house. You can start by cooking, and then cooking from your own kitchen, and then now you distribute to people that need your food. I have a friend of mine who also does this. What she does is just cook from the house, and then now she distributes to different offices. So she has orders in different offices. So she simply cooks and then distributes them and then collects the money. So if you are a good cook, if you love cooking, if you enjoy cooking, then this is something that you can also do. You can price your food according to the ingredients or whatever is inside, whether it is meat or whether it is chicken or just vegetables, or things like that. So now those are the 6 small business ideas that you can try out, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I hope that you can try out any of these mentioned small business ideas, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. Please, if you are watching this video up to this point, I say thank you so much. Please remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. 80% of you guys have not subscribed to this channel, and yet you're watching me. I don't know why. Please subscribe. It doesn't cost you a thing, but it will help me a lot in growing my channel. It will also help me in reaching many people that need this type of content. So thank you so much, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye.